Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing, drum roll, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I think Black Edition. Includes band, I don't know, so let's have a look. So normally this was like a more white, but this time it's like a grayish color. Boom. So this is the book. Nice book, kind of backwards though. Here's the cover here. But yeah, this is the Black Edition here. Sides like that. So I'm coming from the Ultra one, like the OG one, which I've had forever, but I needed to upgrade it, so I went with the Black 2. So it's quite cool to see. So let's see, first up we'll do the band. So this is the band that it came with. I think they call it the Oceanic or something. Yeah, Black Ocean band. When I got the Ultra 1, like many years ago, I got the yellow, and I always wanted the black, to be honest, but you know, they've now come out with it, which is quite cool. Let's see. Yeah, feels the same as the last time. So there's that one, there's that goes in the middle, just to keep this little strap there. And here, boom, we got that. And then they've got this here. I think it just how to clip it in. This little pieces of paper that nobody really reads, but gives you an idea on how that open and closes. And then yeah, to be honest, I don't think I'll wear that. I'll carry on wearing my original Nike one, which you don't get the color anymore. I don't know, I've always preferred it, to be honest, so I'll stick with that. So that's that one. Then drum roll. So let's open her up. And then then go from here. So inside we've got designed by California. Came with a braided cable charging. Nice. Yeah, designed by Apple in California. Then I think that's all, but here's the watch. There you have it. A little bit of dirt on there. Much more orange. I think the button shrank a bit. Let me see here. So do a bit of comparison. Oh no, it's exactly the same. Yeah. And I mean, I've had that, I think, I don't know how long, but maybe 2-3 years. I think it's that long. And you can see, you can't see many scratches, so it really wore well, just from general use. Oh, there's a little scuff mark there, so that's probably one. A little small one there, but to be honest, it held up quite well. So yeah, and there you have it. Let's see if it comes with power. No, flat. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, that was the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black. Thanks for watching.